Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to make your Android phone more secure against hackers, scams, harmful apps, and suspicious activity? In this video, I will show you how to enable Advanced Protection Mode in Android 16, a powerful built-in security feature designed to give your phone maximum protection with just one switch. This feature is especially useful for users who want stronger privacy and security on their Android device. Before we start, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. What Advanced Protection Mode actually does. How to find it on Android 16. How to enable device protection step by step. Extra security features it automatically turns on. Important limitations you should know before enabling it. Let us break it down step by step. Step number 1. Check your Android version. First, make sure your phone is running Android 16. Go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information. Look for Android version. Advanced Protection Mode is mainly available on Android 16 supported devices and newer software builds. Some Samsung devices may receive the feature later depending on software updates and region availability. Step number 2. Open Advanced Protection Settings. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. Look for Advanced Protection, Device Protection, Google Security Settings. On some phones, you may also find it under Settings, Google, All Services, Personal and Device Safety, Advanced Protection. If you don't see the feature yet, your phone may not support it currently or the update may still be rolling out. Step number 3. Enable Device Protection. Once inside Advanced Protection, turn on Device Protection. Then tap Turn On. Your phone may ask for PIN, password, fingerprint verification. Some devices may also require a restart after enabling the feature. Once activated, Android automatically enables multiple security protections together. Step number 4. What Advanced Protection enables. Advanced Protection Mode automatically activates stronger security features such as blocking app side loading from unknown sources, stronger Google Play Protect scanning, safer browsing protection, blocking insecure 2G connections, additional scam and phishing protection, USB protection while the phone is locked. Some Android 16 devices may also include inclusion logging, theft protection enhancements, advanced app restrictions. Step number 5. Important limitations. Before enabling Advanced Protection, there are a few important things to know. When this mode is on, you may not be able to install APK files manually. Some USB functions may be restricted. Certain advanced developer features may be limited. Security settings may become locked and harder to change individually. This is completely normal because the goal is maximum security. If you regularly install apps outside the Play Store, you may prefer keeping some protections disabled. Step number 6. Who should use Advanced Protection? This feature is especially useful for privacy-conscious users, journalists, business users, people handling sensitive information, anyone worried about scams or malware. Google originally designed Advanced Protection for high-risk users who need stronger defense against targeted attacks. But now, regular Android users can use it too. Bonus tip: keep your phone updated. To get the latest security improvements, go to Settings, Software Update, tap Download and Install. Security features improve regularly through Android and Google Play system updates. And that's it. That is how to enable Advanced Protection Mode in Android 16. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. And again, that's it. This is how to enable Advanced Protection Mode in Android 16. It is one of the strongest built-in security features available on Android today and can help protect your phone from scams, malware, and unauthorized access. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips, privacy tutorials, and hidden features. And hey, if you have questions, please comment down below. We are happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.